Hey, Mike with Rodent Pest Control here, and are you looking for some easy ways to keep your home pest free? Well, today's video I'm going to go through 4 simple ways to keep your home pest free, so stay tuned. Now, pests are definitely a big annoyance around your house. You don't want them there, and there can be time-consuming ways, but also simple ways to keep pests away from your home and keep your home pest free. So the first one that you really want to focus on to keep your home pest free is going to be exclusion. Now, unless there's already pests in your home, any type of pest issue is going to have to come from the outside of your home and then develop from within after they're inside. So sealing entry points, cracks and crevices, different places where pests can get in should be a major priority around your home. There's some simple ones that you can implement too. You might add in a door sweep, which is basically going to close off the entry point underneath doors, main entrances of your home. You can close screens, make sure that they're properly sealed, that they're fixed, there isn't gaping holes in them. You can also install weather stripping around windows. And the major reason for this is that pests can get in the tiniest of gaps possible. Where rodent type pests, mice and rats can get in entry points as little as 1/4 of an inch of a gap. And then insect type pests can get into the smallest gaps of around 1/8 of an inch. So properly sealing those entry points can go a long way to keeping pests out of your home. The second thing you want to do is make sure that you keep your home clean. You know, a variety of pests will feed on different food sources, crumbs, greasy spots around your home, and so by properly cleaning your home, that can go a long way to keeping pests away as well. So that could be wiping down counters, not leaving dirty dishes laying out, wiping down appliances so there aren't greasy spots around, vacuuming your home, because again, different pests will live in different places. So things like ants, roaches, for example, will be going after food crumbs laying around, grease spots laying around. They'll eat from those food sources. Dirty dishes laying out where there might be standing water could attract a variety of different pests, from flies to ants to mosquitoes to roaches and more. And then also frequent vacuuming. If you have pets around your home, that could attract different fleas that tend to live in carpeting, on pet beds, around your home as well. So focusing on proper cleaning can go a long way to help keep your home pest free. Third thing you want to do is properly seal food around your home. So that could be in a couple places. Obviously, food containers. A lot of people will leave baked goods laying out or food just open and not properly seal those containers, so pests can get into that, whether it's cookies laying out at the table for dessert, or again, maybe you have cereal or grains or oats or whatever the case might be laying around in your pantry, and having those kind of open-ended where pests can get in. And then another area could be not properly sealing garbages and covering up your recycling bin, because a lot of pests will feed on those things as well, where they like decaying, rotting food. There might be scraps in there that pests will get to, or again, when it comes to your recycling bin, you might have pop in there, or beer or alcohol or different things like that, sugary type substances that pests will like to feed on and eat as well. So whether that's inside your home, or again, maybe your trash or recycling outside your home, having that properly sealed can help keep pests away as well. The fourth thing you want to focus on is removing standing water around your home, where a lot of pests either need that water to survive, they'll drink that and hang around your home because they have an easy water source to access, or other pests like mosquitoes will breed and lay their eggs in that standing stagnant water. So again, that could be removing pet dishes when they're not in use around your home, dumping out kiddie pools around the outside of your home, or again, just removing standing water if there's big puddles around your home as well, or maybe rainwater collecting underneath your deck or different things like that. So the more that you can remove this standing water, the better chances you'll have of keeping pests away, preventing them from breeding and increasing their numbers. And that's definitely important, because again, if they're not around your home, they aren't in massive numbers, the harder it is for them to get inside and cause pest issues inside your home as well. So again, implement these 4 simple steps of exclusion, keeping your home clean, sealing food, and then removing standing water, and it can go a long way to help reduce pest issues around your home. So again, hopefully you got some benefit and value out of this video. If you did, feel free to comment and share, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest pest control tips and tricks to keep your home pests free. And then also, if you have specific pest issues, definitely reach out to us at rovepestcontrol.com. And then also, as a first-time customer, you can head to rovepestcontrol.com/50 off and get $50 off your first service with us. So if you're a brand new customer looking to save on that initial service with us, head to rovepestcontrol.com/50 off. But once again, thanks so much for tuning in. We'll talk to you more soon.